Welcome to another episode of Tiger TV.
We're finally back from our Discovery China trip. Did you like our replacement anchors? Thank you to Ocean and Tendai for filling in our shoes.
It's that time of the episode. Here's Movember's latest update.
Today is the day that you can start voting for your favorite Mo. Using this app, choose your favorite Mo and vote for a winner. Each vote will cost 5 RMB, with all money raised going towards a Movember charity.
EY and primary students are also making their own Mo's. Check out some of these.
In secondary, tomorrow is the Movement Challenge Day. Make sure you get up early and get your steps in for a chance to shave one of these Mo's in front of everyone. On Friday, we will all have a chance to learn some dance moves with Miss Steph. Another opportunity to get active and have some fun.
Well done to everyone at WIS for getting involved in Movember. It is a great cause, and something as simple as a conversation or a small contribution could save a life.
Ready to flex your guessing muscles? Here's the latest episode of Getting to Know a Tiger, where we will meet Richard, the biking maintenance master. In today's segment of Getting to Know a Tiger, we're getting to know a longtime WIS Tiger, Richard Zhou, one of our WIS maintenance staff that helps keep things at our school in tip-top shape. You may have noticed him as the handyman around campus or riding in or out on his cool motorbike.
Richard, can you tell us 3 facts about yourself?
你好，我原来是做过市场上卖肉的，节假日星期五、周末去外面钓钓鱼，调剂一下自己的心情，然后家里面喜欢养鱼、养狗啊什么的。回家了，下了班以后，买菜回家做饭，这作为一个上海男人。
Do you know the answer yet? Tune in next week for the reveal.
In sports, the high school girls basketball team will be playing against YCIS Puxi on November 2nd, 4 p.m. in the gym. On November 25th, the high school boys basketball team will be playing against the same team at 4 p.m.
The high school girls basketball team will play away against BIS Puxi on November 26th at 4 p.m. The high school boys basketball team will play against BIS Puxi on November 26th at 4 p.m. at the gym. Go Tigers!
And that's all for this week. See you next time. Bye.
Bye!
It didn't say bye on the script.